august gathering on the momentous occasion of Rashtriya Ekta Parv 2024. We also welcome nominee chairman PhD KV Kakinada for his everlasting support and guidance. We welcome you, sir.
No, wait.
This This is the first time such an honor has been bestowed on us, and we are ardently grateful KVS Aru Kolkata Shri Vai Arun Kumar for finding us worthy enough to host this elite group of participants. Kakinada family, we extend a heartfelt welcome to all the participants and escorts and wish them all the very best. Interaction and promote mutual understanding of state union territory pairing. Our parent state is the state of Bihar, which is rich in culture and abounds in diversity. Apart from this, Kala Utsav, a flagship program of the Department of School Education and Literacy, Ministry of Education, which was launched in 2015, of secondary stage. This annual event provides a platform for students to explore and celebrate arts and cultural talent. These rich legacies to world heritage must not only be nurtured and preserved for posterity, but also through our education system. Hence, the theme of Kala Utsav will be Viksit Bharat. Respected Venue Principal Sri Manish Roy to formally welcome our honorable chief guests and esteemed dignitaries to this event. Sir, please.
Good morning to one and all. Honorable Chief Guest of the day, Colonel J.S. Bohra, Commandant ASD Kakinada, SDM Adam Commandant Military Station.
It is my great privilege under which Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat and Kala Utsav competitions are being organized.
This competition. The winners of the event will qualify for the regional level to be held at PHE KV number 1 Salt Lake, Kolkata, and finally from there the best teams will be competing for the national level competition to be held in Hyderabad region. Tentative date is November 15, 2024. To be while his benign presence. Sir, your esteemed presence here today adds immense value to this celebration of unity and culture. We are truly honored to have you with us, and we look forward to hearing your words of inspiration for the children and for the teachers who have taken time from their busy schedule to grace this occasion. Your support is greatly appreciated, and your presence motivates us to continue organizing such meaningful events that promote unity and harmony. A special welcome to our esteemed judges who have kindly agreed to preside over the spirit of this event, encouraging our students to showcase their best talents and creativity. Next, I extend a warm welcome to our dedicated teachers whose efforts and guidance make every event a grand success. It is because of our encouragement that our students are inspired to participate wholeheartedly in events like this. which strengthen students. You are the heart of this competition, and your energy and passion are what makes this exciting day filled with performances, competitions, and may this occasion inspire us to appreciate the beauty of our diverse traditions while working together for a brighter, more united future to one and all. Let us now begin this grand celebration with enthusiasm and joy. Thank you to one and all. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, students, for your wonderful performance. Now I would like to request Honorable Chief Guest, Colonel.
Okay, very good morning to everyone. And at the very outset, I thank Mr. Manish Roy, Principal, the esteemed teachers. It is a great event that has been organized. We should always keep in mind that it is for national unity, integration and security that we celebrate. And who can change it but us? We should make the difference in whatever sphere that we are in all whatever small world that we stay, where we interact. This is what we can make a change. The difference is you and me. You should always think what I can do for myself, my country, and not ask what the country has done for me. That's a famous quote that we keep talking about. My only the participants should enjoy the journey that for which you are here. Learn about others' culture, his different states. Like I was told that it is about we are interchanging, exchanging ideas. Meet your colleagues from other schools, learn from them, and take the country ahead. And we are looking for 2047 as the year when we will be a superpower to reckon with. But I can assure you, in my understanding, we already are a great power as a nation. We are great. We should have, I'll say, all of us who are here as Indians should have lot of self-pride, swabhiman, and we should have lot of, we should always feel so, and who are best in whatever field that we are in. All the very best to all of you. Have a great event. Enjoy the journey more than the competition part, and I'm sure all of us will go with more knowledge and experience to last a lifetime. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind and motivating words. I'm sure our
एक पेंटिंग बनाने में कितना टाइम लगेगा? 3 hours? And this is for what? Famous for the library because of
Yes, sir. Library is one free laptop. And it takes like 1 month to complete the work.
so what was it that we lost more than what is the life? No, since you know. Arthashastra was also part of there, but we have
Every literature, every
only copy that survived.
physical art, like art,
Not at all again. Very nice, good effort.
It was possible when we tried to decide the practically.
Sheshashri used to Delhi Sultanate from the year of 1540 to the year of 1545 until he is one of the most powerful ruler in it. We are talking about what are the specialties of the stock. So here we are having here Kshatriya like structure we are having to find which are and this is one of the most creative way that anyone can get the civic times and very important point that this have a completely surrounded with water. So the tiles which have the less amount of water does not use any type of form, such type of water. Moreover, here you are able to find out that here if we notice the real top, here there is Indo-Islamic architecture form. So here the both mixture of Indian and both Arabic, this type of things are also used here. Here I want to also tell you about the overall this type of structure frequency. This is mainly based upon the Hindu frequency, that Hindu structure, the Indian structure. So such type of series they are also used. And here there are most important from the there are total 8 directions. People can enter in 8 different directions. But here you have to find out the western direction. While we are talking about the Qibla, means here the place or here the direction is V-like structure where the Muslim used to read namaz in the direction of Kaaba. And after this topic, this is located in the that is from this location to move on Rajgir if we are talking about. So we need to travel almost around 340 kilometers. In the case Terracotta Lecture areas like but they are the mainly present with the Terracotta statue. We would have very good but we know that statues are first picture one of the greatest in our country. That is the one and only Madhubani district of Bihar. That is the Madhubani painting. Arya, please explain this about yourself.
वन ऑफ द मोस्ट प्रचलित पेंटिंग हमें कहा जाता है। मधुबनी पेंटिंग को हम मिथिला पेंटिंग भी कहते हैं क्योंकि इसकी मुख्यतः और मिथिला जो पेंटिंग है वो रामायण के काल से चलती आई है कि जब श्री राम का विवाह सीता, लेकिन समय के साथ साथ अभी कैनवस और पेपर्स में भी ये मधुबनी आ चुकी है। और जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं ये गुप्त पीरियड के अंडर में ये प्राचलित हुई थी, लेकिन गुप्त साम्राज्य के कुछ वर्षों बाद लगातार धीरे धीरे कमजोर होती गई और इसीलिए ही ये धीरे धीरे विलुप्त होती गई।
एजुकेशनल सोर्स है, एक सर श्लोक कहना चाहूँगा, सबको सर कंक्लूड करूँ तो ये कहना सही रहेगा। न चोर हार्य न चराज हार्य सुप्रातिवाचीं च भारिकानि वैकृत्य वरदेव नित्यं विद्या धनं सर्वधन प्रधानम विद्या धनं सर्वधन प्रधानम। Education cannot be stolen, education cannot be taken, no one can take it from you and no one can divide it from you. This is of education in our country, and you are able to find out various statue and Asian things that are available. You can also question the various things from you.
And we are showcasing some of the ladies' performance. We have Manusha painting, four Sir, Manusha painting and Madhuban painting both like historical drawings of Bihar. So if we talk about Manusha, people used to show the five sisters in the form of five snakes. And in this drawing, the borders used to be like a bepatta or series of snakes. And in this, we mainly use green, yellow, red, and this and the green used to show the festival exhaustment. So if we talk about Manusha, usually painting the heart, like in the wedding ceremonies or in the separate state ceremony. But nowadays, it is used to paint on the canvas paper, handmade paper, or you can just paint it on the oven floor. So if I want to say this and describe about this picture of Bihar, it actually depends. Most of the 300 to 500 families were dependent on this painting, and this painting was regenerated from families to families, mostly by women, and they are painted on the walls of the hearts in the festive ceremonies like weddings, etc. Sir, Madhubani is not only the drawing, but it is also supported of 500 Muslim family in Bihar, or if we talk about Gaibhata in Bihar and Uttarakhand. It is also, in the lockdown time, it is painting also supports 500 to 500 families of Bihar. They used to sell this picture, or sell this picture of them to, they have to continue the life with it. So if you want to, this canvas, sir. This is a handmade canvas.
So please notice at first you notice the painting very carefully. You know, identify. And this will be one of the ways so that we are able to present various hidden things in a single object.
जब पार्टी होगा जब फिर वो सूरज के निकलने हैं जब वो तब बादल बादल को बादल
director आगे आओ, राजू immediately. Group 1 is requested to clear the stage. And
Ma'am, I think आपको पूरा this shift करना है to be able to see it better.
ready with group 3. इसी घटना में आधारित बा
শুভ সকাল সকলকে পাঠশালার আন্তরিক শুভেচ্ছা। আজকে আমরা যন্ত্রসঙ্গীতের মাধ্যমে বাংলার লোকগীতি প্রস্তুত করতে চলেছি। আশা করছি আপনাদের সকলের ভালো লাগবে।
ready
जिसने बिना हाथों के होते हुए भी इतना अच्छा मुकाम हासिल किया। वो क्या है ना, जब अपने देश का तिरंगा किसी दूसरे देश में सबसे ऊंचा लहराए तो बहुत दर्द होगा। बस अभी तो शुरुआत है माँ, अभी भी और कई ऐसे मेडल आने बाकी हैं आपकी बेटी श्री शीतल देवी के नाम।
Rama,